This is the one that comes with the walking pad, the remote. We have the lubricant oil with this straw. We have the Allen wrench for adjusting the belt, or the adjusting the belt. We have the actually the battery, the CR2032. It comes with two, so this is the spare. And warranty card and the user's manual with the troubleshooting steps and everything, and then for maintenance. So everything is on this user's guide. And it also comes with these four foam pads. This is it. This is the walking pad I got from Amazon. I just want to share to you guys if someone is interested of getting your own walking pad. So at least I can get some steps here indoor. Okay, so let's get this started. I'm gonna show you the power on switch is located right here on top. And the only thing that I don't like is when you turn it off, this LED is still on for some reason. It should go off unless you have to turn off the hard switch, the power off switch. But that one is not deal breaker. It's fine. It would be nice if this one will eventually shut off when there's no activity. So here's the remote. Simple. You can adjust the speed up and down. The back button, the mute to turn off the beeping noise, and the power on. And this is the preset mode. And the one I got has the incline, which is right here. You just insert these two adjustment. It's a manual, it's not auto. To turn it on, just press power on. Adjusting speed. Turn it off, and it's gradually, stop. Turn on. And then pressing the mute, it will stop the beeping noise when you are pressing the button. And this one can go up to 4 miles speed. And this one will display the time, the calorie burn, speed, and distance. So it's basically switching back and forth. And this walking pad it's quiet, as you can hear it on the background. It's not that loud, so it's nice. And if you're interested, I'll put the link down in the description below, and hope you like this video. If you have questions on this walking pad, just let me know and I will get back to you. Thanks for watching.